Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your thumbnail templates with Adobe Express, full guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Express on your device. Log into your Adobe account if you haven't already. Navigate to the Thumbnails section in the app. Select the thumbnail template you want to back up. Click on the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner. Choose the Save as Template option from the drop-down. Enter a name for your template to easily identify it later. Confirm by clicking on the Save button. To access your saved templates, return to the main dashboard. Click on the Templates tab. Locate and select the template you just saved. You can now download it by clicking the download icon. Choose your preferred file format for the backup. If you want to store it in the cloud, click on the Adobe Cloud icon. Select the destination folder for your backup files. Click Upload to store it securely in the cloud. Your thumbnail template is now backed up and ready for future use. Consider creating a naming convention for easier access later. Repeat these steps for any other thumbnail templates you wish to back up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.